The first thing that a client hears when they speak to us is our friendly smile.
One of the first things you'll hear when you call is a friendly welcome from a live person.
Someone calls us and they're scared, we try to reassure them as much as possible. We build that relationship with you by just being there for you, hearing you, understanding your needs.
When you call Smart Start, you can be confident that the person you're talking to isn't just an expert in our equipment and what we do, but we're also an expert in the specific programs and requirements for your state and where you are. We're going to help you understand what's required of you and also help you make sure that you can meet those requirements.
One of the most important qualities as a program advisor is to have empathy. When our customers are calling in, we want them to know that we're here to truly help you.
The most satisfying part of my role is being able to help clients get back on the road.
The biggest misconception when people call in is they think that we're here to judge them. That's not true at all.
We feel a responsibility not just to our clients, but to their loved ones and their community to help make sure we put them in the best position to succeed and complete the program. When you call a program advisor, it's not about what you've done. It's about where you're going and how we can help you get your life back on track.
Yeah, the most satisfying part about being a program advisor is when I get to tell a client that they get to have their device removed.
For me, the best part of being a program advisor is congratulating you when you're done with the process. So on behalf of myself and all the other program advisors here, we look forward to helping you through your program.